Hey there, homeowners. Welcome back to our channel where we help you create the home of your dreams. Are you tired of living in clutter? Does the mess around you make you feel overwhelmed and stressed out? Well, you're in the right place. I'm here to help you transform your space in just 24 hours with some minimalism magic. Imagine walking into a room that feels open, airy, and completely stress-free. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Your support helps us create more content to help you live your best life. And don't forget to join the channel as a member for exclusive content. Alright, let's dive in and get started on this exciting journey. Step 1. Set your intention. This is a crucial first step. Before you start, visualize what you want your home to feel like. Do you want it to be calm, clean, and clutter-free? Picture yourself enjoying a serene space where everything has its place. Trust me, setting a clear goal will keep you motivated throughout the process. It will serve as a reminder of why you started and what you aim to achieve. Step 2. Start with a clean slate. This means picking one room to tackle first. Choose a room that you use frequently, like your living room or bedroom. This will give you a quick win and motivate you to keep going. Remove everything from that room. Yes, everything. This might seem extreme, but it's essential for seeing the space clearly. This will help you see the space clearly and decide what really belongs there. You'll be surprised at how much easier it is to make decisions when the room is empty. Step 3. Sort and conquer. This is where the real work begins. Create 3 piles: keep, donate, and trash. Be ruthless. If you haven't used it in the past 6 months, it's time to let it go. Remember, less is more. This can be tough, but think about the freedom and space you'll gain. Letting go of unused items can be incredibly liberating. Step 4. Organize what's left. Now that you've sorted through everything, it's time to put things back in a way that makes sense. Find a place for everything you're keeping. Make sure each item has a designated spot. Use storage solutions that work for you. Bins, baskets, and boxes can be incredibly helpful in keeping things organized. Labels can be your best friend here. They make it easy to find what you need and ensure everything goes back to its rightful place. Keep it simple and functional. The goal is to create a space that is both beautiful and practical. Step 5. Clean as you go. This is an often overlooked step, but it's so important. Wipe down surfaces, vacuum, and dust. A clean space feels even more refreshing when it's clutter-free. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel in a clean, clutter-free environment. It's like a breath of fresh air. Step 6. Repeat the process. Move on to the next room and follow the same steps. Each room you complete will give you a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to keep going. Don't forget to take breaks to stay energized and focused. Decluttering can be physically and emotionally draining, so give yourself time to rest. Step 7. Maintain your new minimalist haven. This is where the real challenge begins. Adopt a one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring in, make sure to remove one. This will help you maintain balance and keep clutter at bay. This simple rule can make a huge difference in keeping your home clutter-free. And there you have it. A clutter-free home in just 24 hours. It might seem like a lot of work, but the results are so worth it. Imagine the peace and tranquility you'll feel in your new, organized space. A clutter-free home in just 24 hours. Remember, minimalism is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress and enjoy your new, serene space. You've earned it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our channel as a member for more exclusive content. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and happy decluttering. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Thanks for watching and happy decluttering. Enjoy your new space and the peace it brings.